Hey, it's Danish from Local Niche Marketing, and GoHighLevel just dropped an insanely powerful feature by the name AI Studio. Uh, this video is going to be about how we can utilize GoHighLevel's AI Studio um, to our own benefit as a business owner or as an agency. And what it uncovers is another world of possibilities that a normal person would not have thought, in 2024 or 2023. So let's just get started. Now, in order to enable this, you have to go to your settings and click Labs, and then you can search it here, AI Studio, right? For my sub account, it is already enabled. If that is not enabled in your account, and if you want to use it, you'll have to turn it on. Once that is turned on, then click on the AI Studio here, and just start prompting. For example, you want to build a landing page for a knee pain funnel, for a visco supplementation, right? So we can describe what we want from this. I want to create a knee pain funnel for visco supplementation. I want it to be conversion optimized. That's it. So let's see how that goes and what it actually comes up with. So it is actually thinking, and now it's creating. It can take a couple of, 10 to 15 seconds, but it is worth it. So you can see it has started working. Set up medical design system and metadata. So it knows that medical design is different than the other design. So it has actually researched, and then now it is building, generate high quality hero and content images, build conversion optimized landing page components, implement lead capture form, and finalize page structure. So think about the possibilities of this powerful tool that go or powerful AI feature that Go High Level just released. I think I have done a Lovable plus Go High Level integration video recently, and I think Lovable and applications like Bolt.io, Lovable are going to be replaced by this AI feature, because we don't have to now integrate Lovable with Go High Level, because it can do essentially everything inside Go High Level, and that is something powerful. Um, we are not distributed among different tools. We are doing everything as an agency under one tool, and that's amazing, powerful, and effective for agency operations. Now it's finishing up with some final touches. Let's see how that come as a final product. So here it is. It is done, and here it is. Now look at this. Now, stop knee pain without surgery. I mean, the content is appealing. Obviously, people are avoiding surgery. That's why they are going to the route of viscosupplementation. No surgery, no downtime, covered by major insurances. Again, if you want to change anything, you just have to prompt it, and this will be changed. And look how amazing the look and feel of this funnel is, like how the program works: comprehensive evaluation, precision injection, rehabilitation, and support. Here are the testimonials. We haven't asked it, so we just gave it like we want a conversion optimized funnel, and that's it. Boom. Now, if you again want to change anything, you can ask for example, I want the color of button to be green. That's it. Now the color will be changed just in seconds. It's done, right? So if I click on it and if I want to see the changes, then you can see it has actually changed the background of it. I said that I only want the button to be green. So it's just changed the green color of the whole funnel, right? So we can again ask it to, I just want the button of the form to be green, not the background of the funnel. I have given him the context. Now let's see how that goes. It's now changed. Let's see how that comes. Here you can see. So it has changed the color of the button, and by choose visco supplementation, it's all looking really great. Um, and if you want to add more section, you can prompt it and it is going to add new sections for your landing page. Now think about it in terms of conversion optimization. Now you can do a lot of testing in the first 2 weeks of getting your campaigns or landing pages optimized, right? And before this tool or before this feature, people or agencies were only using a single landing page. Now, the possibility of creating landing pages is huge. And you can use that possibility in order to optimize the client results and your results as well. Now, once that is done, another cool feature is that you can also connect your form with it. You can see it is also saying sticky call now button. You can add a call now button here, but I don't want to do that. So I want to connect with a form inside my sub account with the name. I want the form to be connected with my CRM. So how, look, it is going to, it is again going to connect your form with your CRM. Um, Now it is saying that contacts and external form submissions will be created in the workflows can be configured through external tracking. I've initiated the CRM connection process. You should see prompt to configure connect. Let's just test that. That is actually sending the information inside our CRM. So our first name is testing AI Studio at the gmail.com and okay, claim your free consultation. One of our specialists is going to call. Let's see how if that is actually appeared inside our. Let's see if that actually appeared in our contacts. So here it is. Just now you can see the timings. So it is working great, right? So if we want to integrate with our CRM, it is going to integrate with our CRM with just one prompt. And if I want to connect my calendar, I can also ask it to connect one of my calendars after the form. So it is essentially going to connect my calendar, one of my calendars, and again, um, it it will have an actual. It is asking me to which calendar to integrate, so we can say like maybe my personal one connect. So it is going to connect a calendar after the form, right? So now the advancement in AI is changing the course of action for many of us in the advertisement agencies are working with the clients in order to improve their results. We can do it in matter of weeks now because we have all the tools at our discretion that were not available when we started out, right? So building landing pages was a hassle in 2022 because you have to go research um, the content related to the service your client was offering, and then you need to start creating the assets for your landing page. So now all these things are being taken care of by the AI itself, and just here to you are here just to improve the results or optimize the results with the help of AI. Now, if I click on it, so okay, okay. So there it is. You can see the funnel, and then there is the connection. And once we confirm the booking, so appointment is confirmed. So, I mean, we can definitely add a thank you page by asking it to add a thank you page. However, that is not necessary. Just wanted to let you know that how this functionality actually works. Now, there are certain templates. If you go inside it, you can build one template for that. For example, you can ask it to no, I don't want to say that. So I want to create a dashboard for my sub accounts, pipelines, lines, and tell me what what is the stage where most of the leads are stuck, right? So it is going to create me a dashboard here. Let's see how that goes. It has built a beautiful structure, and right. So, I mean, that is something you can also share it with your clients for reporting, maybe, or if they want a permanent report that you want to give to your clients, then look at this contact one. So again, most of your leads are currently stuck in contacted states. 450 leads, consider setting up automated follow-up sequence to move them to a meeting stage. I know this is not the real data. It's the test data, but you can change it with your own integrations. And last but not least, what you can do is actually clone a website, right? So, for example, if I want to clone any website, for example, we go in to their site in US. So, for example, that is the landing page. Okay, so no, this is not great. So, for example, this one is it, right? Right, clone this website, or just clone this website, right? So then it is going to think about it and then start its working. I think that will be a big website for him for this tool. So we can, for this video, I just need a home page cloned from this website. So here it is. So you can see here, the whole website, the whole homepage is actually cloned. So I mean, you can clone your competitors' websites in just few seconds and change the colors, and start running your ads. Now, building landing pages is not a problem, but you have built a website, or you have created a landing page. Now the traffic is going to be a problem for you as a beginner or a business owner, who is getting into that stuff. So this is where we come in and start generating you the traffic through Google Ads, social media ads, and um, we can do it. And if you need help with anything related to this kind of setup, or setup related to the campaigns that can actually give you the revenue, you can contact us. Everything will be mentioned in the description of the video. Until the next video, bye.